Or I think you could put milk in it too. Let me see. What did it say? It say water or milk. We're using water, guys. We're going to keep it all the way down to the basics. And then this is our topping, which is the icing. So I'm going to follow these instructions, and I'll let you know, or I'll let you see the finished product, guys. Okay, that's how it looks. So not too bad. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it inside of there? So now let's taste it. Mm-mm-mm. It's decent, guys. I really like it. Really good. Hi. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. I'm about to tear this cake up. Look, it's almost gone. Hey.